Hi guys, what's up? It's the girl Tishane. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So from y'all see by the title below, y'all know what this video will be about, and this video is sponsored by ULAHAIR. Guys, today I will be promoting a raw Burmese 22-inch curly wig. Yeah guys, so this is the packaging. So I'm going to do a little unboxing and then I'm going to install the hair on my head. Yes, I'm going to be installing it, okay? On to what we're really here for, the wig. So as I said before, this is a 22-inch. It's 5x5. It's not full lace, it's 5x5. It's a curly hair. Yes, so guys, this is how it's looking. 22 inches, baby. Okay, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. I love your hair. This feels so good. This is it. It's a small lace. So hey guys, this is how it's looking. Alright, so I'm going to put the wig cap on my head and y'all know the regular. Let's go. Okay guys, so see, I put on the wig cap. I put on the wig cap and now I'm going to tint the lace. I'm going to spray it with a lace tint. The light is off. This is cute. What y'all think? Okay guys, this is the hair. So as I told you guys, it is glueless. Okay, it can glue and it's glueless. Alright. Melts into my skin. I'm going to fix it and then come back and show you. So guys, this is how the hair looks like. Listen, y'all should get this. I'm telling y'all, y'all should get this. It's so fluffy, it's nice, it feels good. Like y'all can feel the raw Burmese. Yes, it feels good. And y'all see how this melts into my skin, and I haven't put anything on it as yet. So now I'm going to spray it and pan it down. Then you know, cut the lace to my edges and show y'all the ending result. But I'm just going to go step by step and come through. Y'all think it's pulled down enough, right? It's so cute. I love it. I love it very much. Okay, let me go look in the mirror so I can see what I'm doing properly. But as y'all can see, it melts down in my skin and I only use one thing. I didn't even use any glue. So let's go. So guys, the lace cut and everything, but the hair is a bit back, so I'm going to have to take it off, pull it down a little bit and then spray it back. So I'm going to do that and then come back and show y'all, guys. I want to do it good, okay? Okay guys, so this is how it's looking. As y'all can see, no lace, no use a band. So I'm going to band it down for, it's now 1:06. I'm going to band it down for probably like 30 minutes or so, and then come in with the baby ear. Okay, I don't think it's way back. I think it's good. I'm going to band it down now, and then so I can do my baby edges and lay them in. So let's go. So guys, I just made the edges. Yeah, I mean make them. Is me make them. But do a good job, right? Alright, so now I have to blow it so it can stay. Blow it now and then come and show you. So guys, this is the finishing results. I did this all by myself. Rate me from 1 to 10. Remember to go get this hair from ULAHAIR. The link is in my description below. This is the back. And this is the front, guys. So as you can see, no lace. Lace here is HD. It's a 5x5. So basically closure wig. Yeah guys, I love this hair so much. Thank you so much Sheila for collaborating with me. I really love this wig. Yeah, and I know you guys love it too, so go clock it now. Peace.